Hi, this is Shakil Ahmed. Welcome to the SPSS learning tutorial. In this tutorial, we learn how to construct a geographical map in SPSS. As many of you may know that in different articles and reports we see geographical maps uh, for the purpose of comparison and movement of a variable uh, in different territories and countries. So it is important to display the data on a map. In this tutorial I have taken a data from COVID-19 world data consisting of I think 169 countries. You can see here. With different socio-economic, demographic, and uh, health-related variables. We can see the various COVID-19 infections around the globe using the geostatistical maps. So for this purpose, SPSS version 20 or above has the capacity of making a graph or special map using the option of graphs and then graph template chooser. This is the graph template chooser, and you need to go to the details and then select the visualization type, which type of visualization you are going to display. The for special map we can choose the color palette of cones, color palette of means, and color palette of medians, and color palette of sums. So you can choose the color palette of mean or cones as your key variable for the graph. Now you need to select the data key. Our data key is the uh, country identity or name of countries, and the colors are color is the variable for which we are making diagram, and I choose the infection rate as the color. And if you want to label the area or the countries, then you can select the option of countries or continents here, and go to the select map. In select map you can choose different values. You can, if you want to make a map for United States, then you can select the option of United States. If you are interested in making map for specific region, then you can select this region. I want to choose the world regions as we are making plot for the selected countries over the world, and the data key is taken as country as we already taken the data key previously as country. And you can compare the data keys. These are the matched keys. uh, these keys are available in our data and the map we chosen here, and the unmatched keys are those keys which are available in data but not in the map, and unmatched map keys, these keys are available in map but not in data. So click on OK, and then go to the title. If you want to give a title to the map, COVID COVID-19 infections. If you want to give a subtitle or footnote, then you can choose in these boxes, and then click on option for any. If you want to exclude any missing values, or you want to exclude the break variable, then you can choose on these bullet points, and then click on OK. If you want to change the style of your sheet, then you can click on this. For now I am making the traditional sheet, traditional map or traditional sheet. If you want to make muted soft, muted pastel, and the map for the web reports, then you can choose this option as well. You can traditional for maps. This will make some uh, this will also highlight the boundaries within the countries, and give a more attractive view of the graph. And then click on OK, and click on OK. You will see the geographical map for the COVID-19 infection. This graph is somehow dense with different naming labels. If you want to exclude the labels, then you can leave the option of labels as none. Go to the detail, and then data label as none, and then click on OK. This way you will see no label on the map. If you want to edit colors or change the colors, then you can go to the option of edit content, and then in separate window, and you can choose the color from click on this, and then choose the color of, double click on this, and then choose the color using the color button. And if I want to select the red one, and the lowest value is represented by the white one, and the missing values is the this one, and so click on close, and click on the OK. You will see this graph. The COVID-19 mean infection rate with 500 cases is shown as the highest, and the 0 cases as the lowest one. So this is the COVID-19 infection map on the on geographical positions. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any query regarding the map construction in SPSS, you can give your feedback and comment in the comment section.